Welcome back, and this is interesting already. And as you can see, FGBMIFI is already purchased. So now guys, just follow up the steps. We are going to install our WordPress and keep on going, just as we waited for some time to activate this from pending to a fully shared package. As you can see, it's a plan, a shared package stroke hashlink. So now we are going to install our WordPress and start designing there and then. Okay, so now what you do, go to the control panel. There is manage here. This is how you can manage your domain and your site. So there is code guard backup, but just go direct to not email accounts, but we shall come later to all these features. Just go to install WordPress using this newly purchased web domain. When you install, wait a bit, your control panel will be loading your control panel. Then boom. So this is the control panel of your WordPress. Now there are a few settings here that you need to get in line, and we get going. So just click install now. When you click install now, you're going to see your domain and the protocol. Remember, the protocol, you have to choose HTTPS. This is not secure. HTTP is not secure. HTTP www, HTTPS www. So let's choose that one, HTTPS then slash. So FGBMFI-Uganda.org is our domain, is like our domain name directory. So you have to choose the latest version. Maybe by the time you choose the highest here, by the time you'll be viewing this course, maybe they would have added 6 point something, but right now it's 5.8.2. It's the latest version of WordPress. Now set up few things here. So we are trying to set up our WordPress account so that you can access it anywhere, and you have the login credentials. Okay, now go to to the site name. I'm going to call it the site name is going to be FGBMFI Uganda. So that's the site name, and the username, we can use the username to admin. Then the password, this is what is going to help you to log in. This is a login credential. So so now I have to choose a good password, because this is what I'll give to the owner to be logging into their account in case they need to edit. So let us choose a password. Okay, let's say the password you choose is the password you write down so that you do not forget it. FGBMF. Description, which one can we give it? I'm still looking for a site description. We can have a look at the international website here and have a site description. FGBMFI. the happiest people on earth at work, from the Americas to China, from the Middle East to Africa and beyond. So you can call it the happiest people on earth. Okay, when I go back, we can we can call it maybe the happiest people on earth, maybe okay, let's be different from the international, call it Full Gospel Businessmen's Fellowship International, Uganda. Okay, so leave this unchecked, don't disable WordPress clone, don't check this, leave it unchecked. Admin email, you can leave it at that is the email of the admin. So you choose language is English, leave it at that. Limit login attempts, Flask editor, WP Central, manage multiple WordPress, manage plugin sets, advanced option. Let's look at this and see. Type the name of database to be created for the information for the installation, and table not auto upgrade to my guard, auto upgrade WordPress themes information. Okay, manage themes, select a theme. We are not going to select a theme here, but of course it will choose 2021, the theme that is latest. So after that, nothing else, click install. So your WordPress will definitely install. It is installing, it will take a little time. In your cPanel, control panel, 36%, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. Wow, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So this is the information, this is our website already. We have a website already. Now we are just remaining to, you see how easy it is, we are just remaining to design. Our website is https, which is secure, fgbmfiuganda.org. Now the administrative URL, if you want to log into your website and start editing, it's this. So you can copy this and paste it somewhere for the purpose of whether it was easy. So that means now you can access your website here. Let's click that and see our website really. So you see the fgbmfiuganda.org, a very secure website. So let me try to search it on phone and see if I can access our website right now. So we haven't designed, but already we have our domain and the protocol. Okay, FGBMFI Uganda, Full Gospel Businessmen's Fellowship International, Uganda. Because there is web propagation, FGB. Let me see if the web propagation is working. If quickly, FGBMFI Uganda.org organization. So our website is live and up. So you can see the website even on phone is live and up. So the next role is for us to design, to build and design this website. Okay, let's meet in the next episode.